I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Rive. Figma is primarily a powerful tool for user interface and user experience design, focusing on collaborative prototyping and wireframing. Rive, on the other hand, specializes in real-time interactive animations and state machine design. While Figma helps you design the static look and feel, Rive brings those designs to life with dynamic motion and interactivity, serving distinct, yet often complementary roles in the digital product development pipeline. Figma excels with its robust component libraries, auto layout features, and high-fidelity prototyping capabilities, making it ideal for comprehensive design systems. Rive offers an advanced timeline editor, powerful state machines, and bone rigging for complex character animations. Many designers utilize Figma to establish the foundational visual design and then transition to Rive to craft engaging, performant animations that can be directly integrated into applications, enhancing user experience with dynamic motion. Figma's browser-based nature ensures easy access and seamless cloud synchronization across teams, supporting a fluid collaborative workflow. Rive animations are engineered for efficiency, often resulting in significantly smaller file sizes, typically under 100 kilobytes and faster load times. Rive also boasts broad integration, allowing animations to run natively across web, iOS, Android, Flutter, and various game engines, providing versatile deployment options for interactive experiences. Figma provides a generous free starter plan, perfect for individuals, alongside professional and organization tiers offering advanced features for larger teams. Rive also offers a free community plan with essential features, with paid plans unlocking commercial usage, private files, and team collaboration. Figma primarily targets UI/UX designers and product teams, while Rive is tailored for animators, developers, and interactive designers seeking to embed dynamic, lightweight animations directly into their products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.